Oh, the gate is open. Oh, I hear something. Hey, how are you?
I think the cat actually escaped already.
I just heard something.
Probably the bells.
Where? What car was it?
Well, we thought it might be underneath this van. So we've been hearing it over here in this corner.
Here.
I hear it.
I know. Trying to figure out where. Okay, that's good. Now, okay, if you want to pop it. Oh wait, I'm gonna put the crate. Let's put the crate standing up. Yeah, you can pop it and then I'll slowly do it. Oh, wait a second. This thing is open. Oh, there he is. He's right here. Loretta, he's right here. Right here, okay?
Yeah.
You wanna drop this on him?
Lift it a little bit. But he can fly. I can't see him because I'm.
Nope, he went down. He went down. Loretta, he's in the back. And he's jumping out.
He went over the footwell.
Wait, no, there he is. I see him, Loretta. He's over the exhaust pipe.
I can slide the.
Okay, let me see. Loretta, other side, run! Back tire! Loretta, I'm gonna move him to you. Catch him! Oh, he's climbed back to the engine, he's back in the engine. Please grab the blanket from the other side. I'm gonna send it to you, and we're gonna push it.
Okay, here.
Close the engine. Yes? Okay, good. Anything else we can do there? Do you want to put the net? Or do you want the net? Yeah, you should have the net. Okay, don't be confused. There are many meows here because of YouTube. There's only one kitten. This car is so low, I can't move.
Sorry. I don't see him here. Why are you seeing him? Look, he's right here.
I know, somehow I have a knot here. Wait.
He's right there.
Give me a snappy,
Yeah.
and you can catch him at the front there. I'm going to give him a push. You need to be very quick. Go to that corner. Okay, coming your way again. I got him. Ready? Catch him! Catch him now! Loretta, at the front tire! Back tire! Right here, Loretta! He's climbing out, he's out! Nope. It's okay. Stop him, that's it! Okay, Loretta, that's it. Okay.
I wanted to go in there.
Is there a way out from here or not?
No. Come on, who's strong enough? No, anyone strong? You want to pull it? It's time for spring cleaning anyway. Okay, Loretta, he's under the tire.
He is?
You can see?
Yeah.
What are we doing?
Let's just cover it. Cover it. So he feels safe. Oh, you see, he wants to go in from here. This is where he entered.
Yeah.
And he's trying to escape from here.
Where is it?
Oh my gosh. Can we touch it?
You don't touch it.
I'm lifting it. Go. Is he under? No, wait, no. He's inside the tire. Okay, good.
Okay.
But keep pushing it in.
He is going under.
No, he's under the net. He's under the net.
Almost.
No. Okay, no. Okay, wait. Right. It's okay.
What's the deal?
You have him secured under this thing?
Yeah, can he escape under? No.
I don't know. Right now, I don't think so. Hi, Kitty. It's okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Just crush my hand if you have to. Okay. All right. I'm going to bring him. Do you want to bring the crate?
Okay.
Yeah, you can close it. See that you can close it quickly? Yes, okay. 1, 2. Close. All right. That's it. All right. Okay, he's okay. Hey. All right.
Yeah, I want to see the cat.
We'll show you in 1 second, okay?
You guys did a great job.
Thank you.
Thank you. Done?
And I can keep
Well done. All right. Now I need a shower. Smell like tuna and sardines.
Awesome work, dude. Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Where is it?
Come on. Let's take a bath. You're like... Okay, here we go. All right. Look at you. Okay, wait. Take.
He's so sweet.
Oh, no. Yeah, of course. Okay.
He's such a good bird today. Yes, you are.
Oh,
That was a blue eye.
look at the wall.
Oh my god. Yeah.
It's your birthday cake.
You can just take it in that radar and I'll just send a picture.